Solve the following LPP. Solve the following LPP by graphically. So minimize z equal to minimize z and maximize z equal to x plus twice y, subject to x plus twice y greater than or equal to 100, twice x minus y less than or equal to 0, twice x plus y less than or equal to 200, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. So you see the first question. So solve this by graphically, right? So here you see in the first question, anyone solve? Here our aim to find out what? Maximum value and minimum value. What is the minimum value? What is the maximum value? And at which point this gives us the maximum value? At which point this gives us the minimum value? So first problem, anyone? Suppose in the here first you see, if you consider say first you find out the minimize of z, minimum value of z. Okay, so here constraints are what? First constraint is, you see, first constraint is x plus twice y greater than or equal to 100, right? So what is our aim? Our aim to make it first equality, means x plus twice y equal to 100, right? So next you put x equal to 0, you will get the value of y, and y equal to 0, then you will get the value of x, right? So if x 0, then y value is 50, and if y is 0, x value will be 100. So one coordinate will be 100, 100. One coordinate will be 100, 0. Another one is 0, 50. Similarly, twice x minus y, right? So twice x minus y, the equation of what? Twice x minus y less than or equal to 0. So how you will draw this line, Roshni? Anyone, Nihal? Plus y. So when you make it equal to 0, then this gives us what? Thus equation of a straight line. Equation of a straight line. Here this is equation of a straight line passing through origin, y equal to mx. You can write this is y equal to mx. Y equal to mx plus c is equation of a straight line. So y equal to mx. This is the equation of a straight line. So one line will be this one, and then region will be which one? Region will be, means in x-axis side or y-axis side. Anyone? Am I audible? You consider in horizontal or vertical? Horizontally or vertically you consider? Here you see y equation is inequality is twice x minus y less than or equal to 0, right? So implies twice x less than or equal to y. Twice x less than or equal to y. So which one is greater? X is greater or y is greater? Because twice x minus y less than or equal to 0 implies twice x less than or equal to y. Then which side is greater one? X side, x axis side or y axis? X value or y value is greater here? Y is, because twice x less than y. Twice x less than or equal to y. So region will be in y-axis side, not x. Clear, Sudeep?
Yes, sir.
You will see, because when region you consider, suppose equation of a straight line passing through origin or etc. Okay, then you will see in inequality which one is greater, in x-axis or y-axis. Suppose x-axis one is greater, then region will be, because passing through origin means what? This line cut this quadrant in suppose sometime what? Suppose y equal to x, right? Then theta is 45 degree. Then this first quadrant is divided into what? Makes an angle 45 degree, right? And sometimes this value may be change m value. So this one will be what? Greater or y is greater than twice x means region will be in y axis side, right? And next one is twice x plus y less than or equal to 200. Then you find out the coordinate. Then one coordinate, when x0, y is 200, y is 0, then x is 100. Okay. Then you draw the straight line, and then you find out what? Then you find out the means region, right? Then you find out the region. Then after this, you see the what will be the common region. Same as earlier problem. Anyone solve? Anybody? After this, you will get here a maximum value is 400 and minimum value is 100. And 400 at which point? 0, 200, and minimum value will be at 20, 40. You will get 100. Minimum value is 100. Okay. So same way you see in the second one, same as graphically you solve this one, z equal to 3x plus twice y. So 5x plus y greater than or equal to 10, and x plus y greater than or equal to 6, x plus 4y greater than or equal to 12, xy greater than or equal to 0. So here you find out the minimum one. Okay, first you find out what? First you find out the feasible region, and from here you find out the corner points. Okay, corner points. So from these corner points, you check at which point this gives us the maximum value. And the second one also you will solve. Okay, second one also you will solve, and you will see what will be its minimum value. পারিবানে সবাই সলভ করব? This is anybody have any question regarding graphical method? Any doubt? কারো কিবা ডাউট আছে নাকি গ্রাফিক্যালি সলভ করতে?